How to delete edits in CapCut. Today we'll be covering a simple topic, that is how to delete edits, whether it's cuts, effects, text or transitions. This is perfect when you want to start fast or fix or mistake. So let's get into it. Launch CapCut and open the project where you have made your edits. Look through your timeline and find the edits. This could be split clips or text overlays or filters or transitions or effects. Now click on the element you want to remove. For example, if you want to remove your effect, click on it and simply click on this delete. As you can see, your effect has been deleted. Now if you want to remove your transition, simply click on transition and click on this delete and delete it. Now if you want to undo multiple recent edits, press Ctrl Z to step back through your editing history. If you want to clear out the timeline entirely and start over, you can select all clips like this. Select all clips and click on this delete. You can also delete it from here like this. Now you can import your new audios and videos to edit it again. And that's how you delete it in CapCut. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and editing tips. Thank you for watching.